going to be filming an edible slime made with only Starburst and icing sugar. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So here we're just unwrapping all of the Starburst, every single one. It takes absolutely ages. This is definitely the hardest part of it. So if you can ever find Starburst that are already unwrapped, you should go with that one. It's literally took forever. Okay, so here are our Starburst, and we're going to put them in the microwave for about a minute. We found now. Oh yeah, I forgot we let it go for ages. And that's what it looks like. Don't worry if it's a bit bubbly and lumpy. But look how cool that looks. So then you just mix it all up. Mix it until it's like one colour. So yeah, we'll do that. Once it's all mixed up, it should look like that. Okay, I'm gonna add the sugar. And ours went orange, yours probably will as well. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some icing sugar and just put like a teaspoon at a time. Yes. So in it goes. And just mix it up. Yeah. So Taylor will do a close up on it. So you'll start seeing it starts to come at one. So I need a bit more. So I'm just gonna. You have to add quite a lot till it doesn't stick to the sides of the bowl again. So like this. And you will start to see. Yeah, it starts to turn to still slime. A bit too sticky. So it's come together, and it's not sticky anymore. Oh, it's just hot. Yeah, so wait for it to cool. So we'll get back to you when we can play with it. So this is how it turned out. The finished. Evie's is really good because mine's gone a bit hard because we made mine first. They're the best to play with when they're still a bit hot, like when they're warm. Yeah, but don't touch them when it first comes out because it burns you. Yeah. So let's do the taste test. Okay. Even though we've already eaten some. 3, 2, 1. That's really good. This is where it looks like. Oh. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you. Next video. Yeah.